the other video. It's another short one. It's just me making a potato salad, basically with egg. So it's only a little short one, so enjoy it and I'll see you at the end. Okay, we're back. My creation is in the oven. Still haven't thought of a name yet. But potato salad, what I'm going to do is I'll boil some potatoes, and these skins are just going to peel off. It's all lovely. I've got some snap peas, I've got a red pepper, a couple of boiled eggs, spring onions, a bit of Hellmann's, light mayonnaise and black pepper. So we'll get cracking and well, we'll get cracking. Like that, and we'll be back in a minute. Okay, so we're back. So all I'm going to do is basically just chop them up. Get our snap peas. Spring onions. Get a pepper. Get our eggs. Get our egg slicer. Just give that a little mix up. Bit of black pepper. And a nice bit of light mayonnaise. Just needs a little bit more. So that's done. We'll wait for the creation, I still haven't thought of a name, that's going to come out of the oven, and we'll serve this up with a little bit of side salad, so we'll see you then. Okay, so that was me making the potato salad, egg and potato salad, and it was just something else to go on the plate, which was over here, which was really tasty. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you awesome people on the next one. See you later, guys. Welcome back to the Urban Cook. In this video I'm making a bechamel sauce for an earlier dish where the video was getting too long, and you know, you ain't going to sit through a 40-minute video. So basically I've taken two elements of the video out. One is the bechamel sauce, which you're going to see now, and the other one is a potato salad with egg. So enjoy this video, and we'll see you at the end. Okay, we're back. What I've got, over the back there is our potatoes cooling down for our potato salad. 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of flour, all-purpose flour, a cup of milk. I've got a teaspoon of salt, black pepper and nutmeg. So we'll get cracking and see how this comes out. See you in a minute. Okay, so we're back. Get the old bit of flame on. Melt down our butter. Add our flour. Get a nice little paste going. Add our milk. And we'll just keep stirring that in until it thickens up a bit. Add our pepper, our salt and our nutmeg. And we'll bring you back in a minute. I'm going to add some Parmesan cheese to this, so see you then. Okay, so it's thickening up nicely. A little bit of Parmesan cheese. And we'll give that another little stir up. Lovely. So we'll do for that. We'll get that poured on top of our. I still ain't found a name for it yet, but I will do. So that was the video of me making a bechamel sauce from scratch, and it went inside the actual dish, which was this one, which is really tasty. So I hope you enjoyed that little bit. So don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. See you later guys, take it easy.